When visiting Garza Blanca Cancun, most of the restaurants on site do require a reservation, but there are a couple of places that you can stop and grab a quick bite to eat, and the food truck is one of them. It's situated right on the beach. You can walk up and even preview the menu, which sits right beside the stand, and ask to be seated then, and you can enjoy your meal while you just enjoy the beach, the sun, and the breeze. And upcoming, you're going to see some of the food that we had on our meal. I really did like the black shrimp. It was very tasty. The guacamole was very good and fresh. Then there was a flank steak, which was a bit tough, but then there was the cheeseburger, which was amazing. And then, of course, the delicious caramel cheesecake you gotta try. Want to know more about Garza Blanca Cancun? Check out some of our other videos. And while you're at it, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you need help planning your next vacation, you can get started by visiting us on the web at www.dreamversetravel.com.